Struggling with SEO? Think keyword research takes forever. Think again. Today I'm going to show you how to find killer keywords for any web page in just 5 minutes. Yep, you heard that right. 5 minutes is all you need to give your content a massive SEO boost. So let's start the clock and dive right in. First things first, you need a starting point. This is your seed keyword. Let's say you're writing a blog post about making coffee at home. So your seed keyword might be home coffee. Simple enough, right? Now head over to Google and type that in. Don't hit enter just yet. Look at the Google autocomplete suggestions. These are real searches people are making. You'll see things like home coffee brewing methods, home coffee station ideas, and home coffee roaster. Jot these down. They are pure gold. These are your initial long-tail keyword ideas. Next, scroll down to the bottom of the search results page. You'll find the related searches section. This is another treasure trove. Google is literally telling you what other related topics people are interested in. You might see terms like best coffee beans for home, how to make espresso at home without a machine, or beginner's guide to coffee making. Add these to your list. In just a minute, we've already gathered a solid list of relevant phrases that real people are searching for. Now, let's level up. We're going to use a free tool. Head over to a site like Ubersuggest or Google Keyword Planner. For this demo, let's use Ubersuggest. It's super user-friendly. Just pop your main seed keyword, home coffee, into the search bar. The tool will spit out a huge list of keyword ideas. But here's the key. Don't get overwhelmed. We need to filter this information to find the best opportunities. Look for 2 key metrics. Search volume and keyword difficulty. Search volume tells you how many people are searching for that term each month. You want a decent number, but you're not always looking for the highest. Keyword difficulty, or SEO difficulty, tells you how hard it is to rank on the first page of Google for that term. As a beginner or for a new web page, you want to target keywords with lower difficulty. A sweet spot is good search volume with low competition. So let's filter our results. Look for long-tail keywords, that means phrases of 3 or more words, with a search volume of, say, 100 to 1000 per month and a keyword difficulty score under 30. For instance, a keyword like how to make cold brew coffee at home might have a volume of 800 and a difficulty of 25. That's a perfect target. It's specific, has decent interest, and you have a real shot at ranking for it. Grab a handful of these low-difficulty, high-relevant keywords. Finally, step 5. Look at the questions. Most keyword tools have a questions tab. Clicking this reveals all the question-based searches related to your topic. Things like, what is the best way to store coffee beans at home? Or how much coffee do I use for 4 cups? These are fantastic for creating H2 and H3 subheadings in your article and for creating FAQ sections. Answering these specific questions directly can help you land a featured snippet on Google, which is that little answer box at the very top of the search results. talk about a major visibility win. And there you have it. We've identified our seed keyword, used Google autocomplete and related searches, leveraged a free tool to find low-competition long-tail keywords, and gathered user questions to structure our content, all in just 5 minutes. Now you have a powerful list of keywords to sprinkle naturally throughout your web page in your title, your headings, your intro, and your content. This simple process will make your content more discoverable and drive targeted traffic to your site. It's not about finding one perfect keyword. It's about building a cluster of related terms that tell Google exactly what your page is about. So next time you're creating content, take 5 minutes to do this research. You'll be amazed at the difference it makes. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, give this video a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button for more quick and effective SEO tips. See you in the next one.